Okay, check it out, Buck. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it with 3. Somebody get in the truck. It won't blow the truck up. And you have to roll over it. And then, wait a minute, Buck can get on top of it. He'll go flying in the air. You have to roll up a little bit farther. Yeah, there you go. Oh, right on, Buck, up there. This is how you make a truck fly like 20, 40 feet in the air, and your friend's gonna go even higher. There's a mountain right there. Let me look at that mountain right there, Buck, over there. You see that mountain? See how high you go compared to that mountain that's on the, it looks like the west side. Okay, ready, set, go. Whoa, dude! Whoa! Did it kill anybody?
Whoa, dude! Whoa! From the past, how long do you think that it's gonna last? Always the dark horse, never the memory. Not supposed to be here, underestimated. When will you recognize death things? Never! Even though they stay the same, gunfight should pull it outside, come and you'll get what I get. No space is the move, you live to regret. No debate, oh, the motion underrated.
See, this one won't have that waiting for a player sign, too. Now, somebody's got to get on top, though, like last time. If you stay inside, Ronnie, the truck won't blow up. It's just going to throw you in the air. You know that, right? You got to drive up a little bit. Well, I'm sorry, Buckeye's getting on top of the truck right now. Look at that shit. Oh, what the? What was that? Go. Dude, he totally disappeared, man, off the map. Yeah! I got it on tape. You jumped over the mountain.
Oh, dude. Ronnie, dude, you jumped over that. I got it on tape. You jumped over the mountain. Backside grand wolf was left behind. Wait. All human emotion, I have the no still blood.
Alright. I got explosives right in the front. It's going to make you launch forward, so just pull up about 10 feet maybe. A little more. Right there, right there. You ready? I'm going to have to get back. I want to get it. See, if I get a long view, I can get it all. If I'm too close, then I can't see anything. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, see, you have to have 2. You have to have 2 different explosives on it, or I mean 6 explosives, because you barely got about 4 feet. You popped up and that was it. Do you have explosives? Because you can put yours down, and then when I asked Sweetness, and then he didn't get back to me. All right, he's sending us an invite one more time, Ronnie. Jump in there, dude. I'll blow it up. Or you want to blow it up? No, I want to see you fly in it. I want to see you fly in it one more time. Come on. Because this is the tank flying. Wow, that looks like a little bit forward, maybe 1 foot forward. Perfect, perfect. Okay, if I'm too close, I won't be able to see you jump. Let me see. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Whoa, dude, you got about 15, 20 feet. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Alright, let's go jump in Bucksy. Damn. He's quick. He's quick. He's all the way by Bravo. He's quick. He's quick.
Waiting to die, or left this place among the damned. Such absurd waste. Lie in the mud, crawl in the shit.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, look at. Ooh, oh, Mr. Icy. Icy fingers. We all got to get knives. That's what we got to do, man. We all got to get knives. What's up? Okay, hey, well, okay, we won't knife until we do the 3 jump thing. We got to get somebody else to do it too. I did it just.
Bloodthirsty, butchering. If I don't kill, they're gonna kill me. Death on my head, death is right behind me. Down from above.
Okay, I got it. So it'll give me a medal if I get the knife. Fuck! I don't want to do this, man! I don't want to do this! Oh, he's alright. Alright.
Follow orders! March at dawn! War is hell! War is hell!
Oh, there it is. You're right. There it is. It gave it to me. Ice Cold Killer. Ice Cold Killer! Where are we going, Buck? There he is. Ah! I got my tags.
War is hell! What? These ain't no sins! Come out here and don't mean shit! What? He's ignorant! Look around! You can't ignore it! Hero guilt! Wielder of sin! A wager of war! Let the carnage begin! An infected mind has left me blinded!
mind of a madman, you sacrifice your children. I'll let you take a ride. Still this plan for me. With all your justice law, we build our killing machine. In the field of pain, he's a killing machine. In the field of pain, torture, torment here, shook up in my brain. For life, now you make me go insane. In the field of pain, he's a killing machine. In the field of pain, he's a killer. For the lying is the shame. How your children have lived. It's a shame how your children are dead. If I die, will you cry for me? In a pool of blood, will you cry for me? When I die, will you cry for me? I'm your killing machine. I'm your killing machine. Killing machine. I'm a killer. Where is my life? Where has it gone? What will I do? My life is through.
50-point bonuses, and then I got like 119 friggin' 25 bonuses. There's no way I'm gonna be using all those. I'm almost maxed out. I got 2 more levels. Yeah, Claymore, get him! Kill streak. Ha ha! He ran right into my grenade. I love it when a plan comes together. He's going hunting, but let's get him. There he is. There he is. Look it. All I got is a little red dot, dude. I don't have a 4 sight or nothing. Get down. Got him. Thanks for the heads up. We can let him have one, maybe. Yeah. Go for it, go for it. You got it, got your back. If they were smart, they would have bring that tank in there to help take the objective, but that's if they were smart. Yeah, you got me a couple times. Yeah, they put you on the right on our team now. Happy birthday! Awesome. You doing a little drinking too, or what? Oh man, I'm underneath this freaking thing. Chasing him down. Yeah, I love this little RPK, man. It's so fast. For the awesome little Schiesenbauer. Good little gun. Yeah. It's faster than the regular RPG. I like the Asval, but you know, shoot my friend. 3 people, but okay. Yeah, I can't figure out what to record, so I was gonna do just another video, just kills. If I ever make any money, of course I'll, you know, divvy it out to the band members for all their hard work recording. I like putting my war songs. I've got a couple of war songs. Drink with your smoke. Oh man, it's wasted. Walking to buy some beer and he ends up falling down, and then the manager comes and they're kicking him out, and on his way out he falls over a big old rack of all kinds of stuff. Millennial Falcon, it sells for about $5 grand, $5,000, bro, for a Lego Millennial Falcon. I was sitting down watching TV and I heard a ding, and I was like, what? It's sold? Damn, dude, that was quick. What was that, like a 10-minute game? You're on a roll, bud. Their lucky day right here. We're going to win every game, bro. And I'm going to record every one of them.